Guess what, guys? It's Vanna chore time. Yes, I named her Vanna. Hey, everybody. I am here just outside of Republic, Washington. My girls are over there checking out the head right now, apparently. So we drove out to Curlew Lake, checked out the state park out there, and then started making our way back. And we had seen this campground on our way out, so this is where we stopped. So yeah, let's go take a tour of the van. You guys haven't seen the completed product, I don't believe. So yeah, let's do that. Come on, girls. The back of the van is where the tent attaches when I use it, and it becomes the kitchen area. So I have my little kitchen box here that you guys probably remember seeing a post about, maybe. So yeah, this becomes the little kitchen area. And then I have my 5-gallon water jug over here. So I thought I would demonstrate my water dispenser. Hi, Paget. Hi, Sasha. It's going to be kind of difficult with only one hand, though. Let's see if I can pull it off. Okay, so the top has the controls. When this is down, yeah, you can see it, come on. It actually, clearly won't do anything. So you pop it up, and now it's ready to dispense water, which I'm going to fill the girls' bowl. So forgive the zoom in because I'm going to come over here to push the button. And it goes, you can tell it how long you want it to go. That was 2. I don't know what 2 somethings. I'll have to look. But you can go do 2, 6, or 8, I believe. And 2 is good to fill the girls' bowl up. So, yeah, that's the water dispenser. I have a little sink that, you just pop up. And it becomes a wash basin type thing. I did not set it up yet today, though, because I'm on the ground, like it's dirt right here, so not gonna worry about it. Anyway, so yeah, that's kind of the rear end of the van. And the water jug rides here. You can close it down. I push her in. Underneath here is the tent where it is, and then I have a battery charger, air compressor thing for emergencies. I'm a solo chick. I need to make sure I have my bases covered. I'm looking for dogs. I see one dog. Paget. Oh, I see 2 dogs. I was just wondering where you were, baby. Don't be scared. Okay, so anyways, this is the back. I put these little scenes on here. They didn't turn out as good as I was hoping they would. I might still play with them a little and add some highlights, hand paint some highlights and whatnot in to give them more depth so that you can actually tell that this is a bear family. And then I was going to add some mountains behind them, but when I did it and wasn't so happy with it, I never did the mountains, but I still might do the mountains. So let's see, what else can I show you at the back? clothing, you know, like a little drawer. It's just plastic. I wanted to keep everything as light as I possibly could. So yeah, I just used plastic on that. A video or two back, I kind of showed how I had made the bed. So there's the finished bed. This is where we sleep. Right, Paget? And then just another little, you know, plastic drawer system right here with, you know, just camping stuff, all my essentials, flashlight. I have a little bit of food in there too. And then over on this side is a little fridge that plugs into my power units, which are housed down there. And if Paget could get herself out of the way, I can show you that these are on a drawer, so it comes all the way out for easy access to everything, and the stuff that's in the back, which is the solar panels, which charges both of these units. And right now the fridge is on this one. It's been on it since like, I don't know, 8, probably 8:30 this morning, and I still have 79% power, so I think that's pretty good. It should last me this entire trip, I'm thinking. So I guess that's kind of it. I mean, you know, like I said, it was never intended to be lived in or anything like that. Like, I don't have any plans for living in this van at any point. I just wanted something to come out and enjoy the weekend. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoyed that tour.